Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad ingredients, only ways. Start by gathering macaroni, mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, mustard, celery, onion, bell pepper, pickles, salt, and pepper. Measure pasta and dressing ingredients precisely. Cook pasta to al dente. Rinse with cold water, cool fully, then toss with dressing gently and refrigerate so flavors meld and the texture sets before serving. Warm tip: cook pasta al dente and cool it quickly to preserve texture and prevent mushiness, then chop vegetables uniformly so every forkful is balanced. Prepare the dressing ahead and chill it, which helps flavors marry. When combining, fold gently to avoid breaking pasta, taste, and adjust seasoning, then chill the salad for at least 1 hour so flavors develop slowly and become harmonious. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing macaroni salad a breeze, keeping dressings from leaking and lunches tidy, plus they stack neatly in the fridge so your countertop stays organized. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If you want variety, add diced pickles or relish for tang, or swap sugar for honey for a gentler sweetness. Include diced ham or shredded chicken to make the salad a main dish. Try smoked paprika or celery seed for warmth, and fold in fresh herbs like dill or parsley for brightness. Always taste and tweak salt and acid, and chill before serving to let flavors settle nicely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.